AI is exploding right now, and if you're not using it to make money, you're falling behind. Start a profitable side hustle using AI, even if you're not a tech expert. In this video, I'll show you 4 AI side hustles you can start this week. Side hustle number 1, creating custom GPTs. If you've ever played around with ChatGPT and thought I can actually build something useful with this, you're right. You can create custom GPTs tailored to specific industries like legal, medical, or education, and charge a monthly fee. Here's how it works. Use ChatGPT to generate a solution for a niche pain point, package it into a simple tool, host it on a basic site, offer a free trial to users, then charge monthly. Side hustle number 2, AI video editing. Editing videos by hand? That was 2022. Now, tools like V.io and Runway let you trim, color correct, clean audio, and even add subtitles automatically. Here's the play. Offer editing services on Fiverr or Upwork. Use AI to deliver fast. Scale your time like never before. One creator I know edits 10+ client videos a day using this and still has time for Netflix. Side hustle number 3, AI web design. Web design used to require coding. Now AI writes the code for you. Platforms like Wix and Jimdo use AI to create sleek, mobile-optimized websites in minutes. Learn the basics, pitch to small businesses with outdated sites, and offer a refresh using AI. You look like a wizard, but it's AI doing most of the magic. And finally, side hustle number 4, AI SEO optimization. Businesses want to rank higher on Google, but SEO feels like rocket science. With tools like Phrase, MarketMuse, and Ali AI, you can. Audit sites suggest better meta descriptions, improve readability, even track performance. If you're good at breaking down data and giving clear suggestions, you've got a monetizable skill right here. So, which of these will you try first? AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who don't use AI. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more no-fluff, actionable ideas.